Today we're looking at how to make a really delicious bilberry pie, or if you're from the north of England, also referred to as Winberry pie. If you go walking in the north and the west of England, sometime between July and September, you will start to see the bilberries on the moors starting to come into fruit. Prior to this point, you may not have really noticed these bushes unless you are a local and you know how to make use of these beautiful berries. Ensure when you are going out and about foraging that you know exactly what it is that you are looking for. The berries, as you can see, start off in a red form before they become ripe. And once they are ripe on these little shrubs, they turn a beautiful dark purpley blue colour, a little bit like that of the blueberry to which they are related. The IDing of any plant or berry before actually eating them when foraging is so important, because clearly there are lots of berries out there and many, were they to be eaten, could be poisonous. So please double check and make sure that you have the right one.